Hello, welcome to Learning Bytes English language class. In this video, we will practice our English by listening to different conversations. Now, let's start the lesson. English at the airport.
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to New York.
Certainly. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this suitcase.
All right, your bag is checked in. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is C12, and boarding starts in 45 minutes.
Thanks. How do I get to gate C12?
Just follow the signs for Concourse C. It's a 10-minute walk from here.
Got it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. English at the clinic.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I've been feeling a bit under the weather. I have a sore throat and a cough.
I see. Let's take a look. Have you had any fever or headaches?
Yes, I've had a mild fever for the past 2 days.
Sounds like it could be a viral infection. I'll prescribe some medicine to help you feel better.
Thank you, doctor. Should I stay home from work?
Yes, it's best to rest and drink plenty of fluids. Call me if your symptoms don't improve in a few days.
I will do. Thanks again.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. English at the supermarket.
Hi, can you help me find the bread?
Sure. The bread section is just down this row and to your left.
Thanks. I also need some eggs. Where can I find those?
The eggs are in the refrigerated section near the back of the store.
Great, thank you. And do you know if there are any sales today?
Yes, we have a discount on fresh produce. All fruits and vegetables are 20% off.
That's good to know. I'll pick up some apples too. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day shopping.
Thank you for watching. The more you practice, the more natural your English will become. Try watching this lesson a few times each week and repeat the conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll become more confident in speaking English. If you found this lesson helpful, feel free to like and share a comment. Please subscribe to the Learning Bytes channel for more useful videos.